Hey folks, welcome to my channel. If you're here for the first time, welcome. My name is Martina and for my regular viewers, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how to make some curry fish. I already have some kingfish, sliced kingfish. That's about 4 pieces of sliced kingfish, right? And I have some onion powder, homemade green seasoning. This is garlic and parsley mixture here, cayenne pepper, black pepper, and some salt. Okay, also too, we be needing, I have here some chive finely chopped. I have some chive here and some parsley. I have some tomatoes, basically about a half a tomato that I finely chopped up here. This is about half an onion that I finely chopped up here, or a tablespoon of curry powder. So I'm basically just going to add the green seasoning, cayenne pepper, garlic and parsley, onion powder, salt, that should do it, some black pepper, I'm just going to mix everything together. We're going to also add in the onion and the tomatoes. And you could also add in a bit of curry powder to season the fish with. That's optional. Some people like to do that. But if you just seasoning your meat and put it away, I wouldn't put curry, because sometimes you might want to do something else with other than curry with your meat or fish. So I'll allow this to marinate for a few minutes. I'm going to also add in the chive and the parsley. Okay, so here I have some all-purpose flour in a mixing bowl, right? And I have my seasoned fish that I marinated for a few minutes. So I'm just basically going to coat the seasoned fish with the flour and set them aside. So here I have my pot on the stove already with some oil, and of course it's hot. So next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to put the coated seasoned fish into the hot oil and allow it to get golden brown on both sides. Okay, now that the fish is all fried, the next thing we're going to do, we're going to make a sauce to put the fried fish in, a curry sauce. So I have my frying pan on the stove. I'm going to add some oil, and then I'm going to add the curry powder. To be honest, I think I used the wrong pot to do this dish, because as you can see here, the oil is settling to the sides of the pot and there's nothing in the center. So, you know, I had to work with it the best that I could. Anywho, so I'm going to fry up the curry powder a bit, let that cook properly before we proceed. Okay, after about 2 minutes or so, I'm going to add some water, but about a quarter cup of water I would say, and let this curry powder really cook well before we proceed again. Okay, so now I'm going to add the vegetables that remained after we seasoned the fish into this nicely boiled down curry powder, curry sauce, and let the vegetables fry up a bit. So next I'm going to season the sauce with a bit of salt and black pepper. Now I'm going to add a bit of water to allow the vegetables to cook properly. That's about, let's say, another quarter cup of water. Okay, so here's our curry sauce coming along nicely. I'm just going to simply place the fried fish into the sauce and let it simmer for a few minutes, about 2 to 3 minutes. Actually, I should say 2 minutes, and then this dish is done. I just like to just pour some of the sauce over the fried fish, just so the fish can absorb all that curry flavor and beautiful seasoning. I bet your mouth is watering right now. Tell me if that's not true. Tell me. Your mouth is running right now, watering right now, baby. Yeah, baby. Okay, folks, so here's my curry fish. Looking super delicious. I invite you to try this dish. It's really, really nice. I served it here with just some boiled green fig. If you enjoyed this video, click on the thumbs up button, leave a comment for me, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. And don't forget to click on the bell next to the subscribe button. In doing so, you get a notification each time I upload a new video. Okay, thanks much for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.